boos, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and click the notification bell and the subscribe button. And if you don't know what the notification bell is, it is so every time I upload a video, you will be notified, so you don't want to miss out on the videos. But y'all, I did these nails. Like, I started doing acrylic nails. I think they look pretty good, but off topic. So in today's video, we're going to be just doing some back to school things. We're going to start doing back to school videos from here now until school starts. And when school starts, we'll do like 1 week outfits and all that stuff. So today's video is just going to be everybody needs to pack a girl emergency kit. Now you're probably thinking like, what the heck is in this little bag? It's just a regular zip-up bag. You can get any kind of bag you want. You can just put it in your purse, your backpack. I'm going to put it in my purse back here, but just something small and kind of flat that fits everything that will be inside this bag. You will find out shortly. And you will just need stuff in this bag. It will just help you get through the school day. It will help you, you know, stay awake, stay alive, and yeah. So I'm going to shut up and we're going to get right into the video. So this is just a little bag that I got from Shein. I really don't know what that says. It just looks like gibberish. But here's a little bag, and I just put all my stuff in it. So I'm gonna open it up, my emergency kit. And the first thing that is in here that you all need to have on hand is a beauty blender. And this is just a little mini like pink one I have in here. Match the bag. You will need a beauty blender throughout the day in school, just in case your makeup is creasing. You can just blot it. You can also have blotting paper, but I just recommend a beauty blender. I think I brought one of these like a few days last year, and it helped with like creasing and fine lines. Just kept me looking on point and nice all day. The second thing you will need is an extra scrunchie in hand. Maybe just for the fashion of it, but in case your hair falls down or your ponytail holder breaks. I don't think scrunchies have broke on me, so just keeping an extra scrunchie in your emergency kit will help you throughout the day. In case of an emergency or you get hot and you need to tie your hair up, a scrunchie is the perfect thing, and they're so cute. Like, yes. Third thing is you need to have lip balm or Carmex or Vaseline on hand in case you have chapped lips. After you get done eating, you have to wipe your lipstick off in lunch. Put some lip balm on, apply some more lipstick, and for that, you will also need to carry around, well, if you are into makeup, you need to carry around at least a lip gloss and a matte lipstick. This is the lip gloss from Victoria's Secret. And then I have just a matte kind of lip gloss that is moisturizing from Burt's Bees. It looks like this. And I haven't even really used it, but I mean, I'm pretty sure that it's beautiful. Oh, so if you ever just like run out of lipstick or you need to touch up anything, keeping extra lipsticks in handy is very nice. Of course, you don't have to pick the same, they look the same color, but you know, that's just my preferred lipstick or color gloss or whatever. And the next thing you need to have is some mascara. This is just a CoverGirl. The CoverGirl Flourish by Lash Blast is just regular mascara. Looks like this. Just something like if you need to touch it up, if you feel like you don't have enough on when you get to school, because I know I get to school and sometimes I'm like, my face looks so weird, like I'm missing something. It's either, most of the time it's either lip gloss, concealer, or I'm rushing and I didn't put on mascara on the bottom lashes because I forget that a lot. And I get so mad when I don't put mascara on my bottom lashes because they're so short. I do want them to stand out, so I get like very freaking upset when I don't have mascara to put on because I was rushing in the morning. So the next thing is just you have a pad or a tampon or a panty liner. All emergency kit, because you never know. Some girls might come on late, some girls might come on at the time, some girls might come before the time, or if you're like me, or you know when yours is gonna come. So always have just a pad or a penny liner or anything that you need, or some ibuprofen or leave. Always have stuff, even if you're not on your period. Maybe your friend might need it. Always have something, and maybe she should get an emergency kit too, or maybe y'all should start making them. What if I made emergency kits and like sold them? Oh, that's lit. I just might do that. Comment down below if y'all want an emergency kit. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna need is gum or mints or anything. Your breath might stink. You might come to school drinking coffee throughout the day. I know when I have coffee breath, it does not smell good. So having gum or some icebreaker mints or something, it will be good. You're gonna need it, trust me, if you drink coffee like me every single morning going to school. So last but not least, we have a hand sanitizer. Oh, it's dirty. Hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works. It's a lot of dusty people at school. It's a lot of dusty desks, a lot of dusty stuff. The school is dusty itself, so you're always going to need some germ mags. Or if you're in the bathroom and those things are full and you don't want to stand there and wait, because I know that happened to me once, then whip out your germ mags so everybody sees that you washed your hands. And whip out that germ mags, and girl, you be good for the rest of the day. Or if you touch something or you're in lunch and something ain't clean, girl, use that germ mags. So the next thing is a perfume. I just got this. It's called Revert Festival from Room 21. It smells just like the Ariana Grande perfume, I swear. And I think that's why I have it, because it smells so good. It smells just like it. When I sprayed it in the store, I was like, I know that smell. So you might, okay, I come to school. Before I go to school, I'm just like, oh, I just be spraying it everywhere. And, you might need to freshen up throughout the day. Say you're in gym class and you start sweating and stinking, go to your emergency kit, put on some. Also, little tubes of deodorant and stuff that I have not put in here yet. I'm going to list those as well at the end of the video. So another thing you should always have on handy are bobby pins. Like I said, if the scrunchie is not enough to put your hair up, maybe you have flyaways or bangs, bobby pin them girls up. And yeah, always keep bobby pins. I find this very helpful because I'm always asking, like, do you have a bobby pin? Do you have a bobby pin? Everybody's like, no. I have some in my hair, but like, I'm not going to take them out for you. So carry your own bobby pins. It might be really helpful. Now I know it's going to be very helpful. But so yeah. So stuff that I did not put in my bag yet. So I'm probably going to have to get another bag. Stuff like your phone charger, your earbuds, maybe some extra mascara. Do not forget about the Aleve or the ibuprofen. You might want to have an extra pair of earrings in case they fall out and you don't want to walk around school with one pair of earrings on, because I have 5 holes in each ear, but I'm only having like 2 earrings right now. So always have a backup pair of earrings. Sorry, I'm tired. Always have a backup pair of earrings. Have a nail file on hand. There's one right here. I just didn't get to install stuff from Lemons right here. Just didn't get to put it in the bag. Have a nail file on hand because, like me, I have acrylics and say one breaks. I don't want it to just be looking like crooked and cut me all day, so I'm going to file that thing down. I would say always have a makeup brush in hand. I haven't put it in the bag yet because I'm looking for a smaller one. But yeah, always have like a makeup brush in hand and stuff. And yeah. So that was all for my girl 101 back to school little emergency kit, you would say. That's what I'm calling it, an emergency kit, because yeah. So that's that, and I think I'm going to film one more video in like just a second or so, because I do have another like a necessities. It kind of goes along with the thing, and look, it fits right in the purse. Let me show y'all. This purse is so cute. It kind of looks like Burberry, but it's not. So I don't even know where it's from. My grandma got it for me. And it's reversible. It changed from that to just red. But yeah, so I have a lot of back to school stuff planned out right here. There's a few pages of it, but I am going to do film a couple more videos, because I feel like y'all, I also need to post the necessities one, because the necessities one, well, it's nice. And I'm also going to do a life hacks one. We're going to do back to school shoe haul, clothing haul, makeup looks, hairstyles. We're going to do like nail, how to do your nails for school, so that way you can write and they won't get in the way, and you're not looking like claws and crazy. We're going to do like 5-minute makeup hacks, how to get ready like in less than like 10 minutes, and stuff like that. So, and how to pick out your clothes before you, because I know a lot of people like me have problems with picking out your clothes in the morning in school. So we're going to start picking them out at nighttime. I'm going to do the first week of school. I know I'm going to vlog the first week of school. I'm telling y'all, I'm on my plan, so I need to get ready for the videos. I'm going to vlog the first day of school, because I'll be a senior this year, and senior year is kind of important. So I feel like I'm going to vlog a lot in senior year. So yeah. Alright, thank y'all for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and click the like button and the subscribe button, and put your post notifications on. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!